The spirits of the forest spared your life because they have seen that you are pure. And henceforth, you shall become the mouthpiece of justice.
What kept you so long? I mean, I've been waiting for you. I'm done waiting.
Adora, I am here.
See, please be fast, go. Fast.
From that water now, or if I miss you inside there, I will skin you alive. Now come out. You shall be my food tonight. Come out from that water now. I say out.
Let us go, please.
I will dive you now.
No.
And who do you think you are to stop me, Willem? And who are you? Who are you?
My identity is not so important here. May I remind you that the parents you people attacked here are princesses of this land. So I will ask you to let them go now.
Oh, what? I'm giving you the last chance. I'm giving you 2 minutes to leave this vicinity. Or I will throw your skin to the vultures of the earth.
I will not take that as an insult. I will still give you one more chance. Leave here now, or it's too late for you.
Now you shall feel my wrath.
It's alright. It's alright. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. I would like you to put on your dresses. Let's go.
That thing. How much are you going to the stream? Greetings, my princess. Greetings.
I can see. My princess, please, princess, you people have to proceed to the palace now. It's very safe from here.
Oh.
Huh? Yeah.
Thank you so much for saving our lives. I owe you mine.
No, you owe me nothing, my princess. I did what every good son of this community, this land, will do. In fact, it's an honor to protect the princess.
Thank you so much. I must say, may the gods of this land reward you for your bravery.
Iyke, thank you so much. Huh? Thank you. You people can...
Well, when do I get to see you again? You can come to the palace. I will prepare a feast for you.
My princess, I'll think about it.
Let's go. Thank you so much. Let's go.
Emeka, I'll go with you.
Yeah.
That's the same.
Mother, I silently prayed for the gods to send us a helper. You needed to see the faces of the attackers. Mother. But the gods showed us mercy and sent a helper at the right time. He calls himself Amadi. He possesses the strength of thousands of men. Yes. You needed to see the way he attacked them. He killed one, and the other one managed to run away.
Who is this person that saved the lives of my daughters, and where can we find him?
Father, I already sent people to find him, and soon they will return with news of his whereabouts.
The gods work in different ways, and all praises must be to them for sending one of their own to rescue my lovely daughters. Please, when you have the information of his whereabouts, do not hesitate, because I would like to appreciate him.
Father, if you do not mind, I would like to take the gift of appreciation to him myself.
Have it, my daughter, if that is what you want.
Amaka. Hey, what happened to you now? Ne, come, let's go inside. Where's Amaka? Ne, I'm sorry. Sorry. No, sorry. Hey.
I understand, honestly. You see, Amaka, I cannot wait for this season to be over. I want to come to your father's hut and pay your dowry. I want to make you mine, and mine alone, forever.
Amadi, I'm yours already.
Yes, I know. I know that you're mine already. But traditionally, we are not husband and wife. I need to come to your house and perform the marriage rites. That is how it's been done.
Amadi, I can't wait. I can't wait to bear you sons that will be as strong as you are.
And daughters, as beautiful as you are. Amaka, you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Amaka!
What is it?
This is Amadi.
What is it?
I went to your house to look for you. Only for me to find your mother lying seriously sick outside. My mother! Let's go!
Amaka! Hey. What? Oh. Gods of our land. Please, do not let anything happen to her.
Adora, ever since that day, my mind can't forget about him. The strength he possesses is what a princess like me deserves.
Why are you so surprised that he defeated the attackers? Haven't you heard of the tale of Amadi? The strongest warrior in Umueze. The one that strikes fears in the heart of his enemies. Haven't you heard it? Huh?
Tales. Yes, I have heard. But never have I said it. I thought all those songs and tales are just to praise his ego and scare away the enemies of Umunze. Little did I know they're all true. Adora, the way he fought those attackers is just amazing. I cannot forget about it. I cannot just get it off my head.
Hey! Are you falling in love with him? Yes. I can feel it in your voice. Are you in love with him?
Princess.
Has he come? Has he come for the feast I promised him?
No, my princess. The queen wants to see you.
I said it. I know you're in love with the warrior.
Iruka, do you know where I can see Amadi today?
My princess, today is a Ekuku day and the day of hunting. I believe Amadi, like every other strong man in Umunze, has gone to hunt, or probably on their way coming back.
I want to see him today. Make the arrangements.
Yes, my princess. Should I add a gift as well?
Are you foolish? How can you go to such a man's hut empty-handed?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Is anyone at home? Amadi? Amadi? Check the backyard.
My princess, no one is here.
Pick it up, let's go. Mother, he is supposed to be mine, but he is always in the bosom of that nobody.
Child, a spittle does not speak when the ocean raves. If you love that young man, then go for him. Should anything stand on your way, take it down, crush it, kill it, if it is necessary.
Mother!
Who invited you here?
Mother, are you serious? Mother, that is not the right thing to tell your own daughter. I mean, she's royalty and she should not be seen fighting over a man. This is not just a man, a commoner at that.
She's not going to fight over him. Rather, she's going to take down every obstacle that stands on her way.
Even if it requires her to kill. Maka rotate. Maka, you can dance. Honestly, you can dance. I'm just finding this out now.
Wow, I must say, that was very, very beautiful.
Thank you, my princess.
My princess, you should have sent for me instead of coming here yourself.
I know, but I think that would be very wrong sending for you. Why I'm supposed to come here and show my gratitude for your bravery in saving my sister and I?
No, my princess. There's nothing like thanks. All thanks should be to the gods for bringing me to the river that very day.
But you allowed yourself to be used by the gods, right? So please, I beg of you, accept this little token of mine as a means of appreciation. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you very much. This is much, my princess. Huh?
I know, but it's nothing to compare to what you did for me.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me leave both of you to enjoy your moment.
Alright.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye, my princess.
Amadi. See. Hey.
It's even two.
Yes. And soon. See you soon. Hey.
Oh, this princess is... She's wonderful.
She's so kind. Oh. Just look at. Very big.
Who is this lady that he's with? Where is she?
Same lady we met on our way back from the stream. Emeka is her name. Emeka. I met her at his hut when I went to appreciate him. And I must say, they are so much in love with each other. You see why you just have to let him go? His heart belongs to someone else.
Never. I cannot do that. Machi will take care of any man that stands on my way with him.
Machi, we are women, and we do not first approach men on how we feel.
Who made that law? Because if it is my father, the king, I am going to make him abolish it. I love Amadi and I will do anything and everything possible to make him mine.
Machi, why can't you just listen to her? You cannot force yourself on a man. It is not advisable.
I am the great princess of this kingdom, and whatever I desire, I get.
Adora, please, do not be like her, okay? It is good and advisable for a woman to always protect your dignity, as the God will bless you with the right man at the right time. You don't force things, you don't force yourself on a man. Alright?
Thank you so much, my prince. I appreciate it.
Please, I will still want you to keep talking to her, okay?
Does that mean you did not see me?
No, my princess.
I must be so little that you did not see the princess of this great kingdom!
Princess, slap me.
I will slap you again! Listen to me, you little misguided and unfortunate being! I have been seeing you often with Amadi, and I have a warning for you. Stay away from him! Because he has found favor in my sight. And I am going to make him mine.
Amaka, what is it? Amaka, what is it? Why are you crying? Please, speak to me. What is it?
Princess Umashi slapped me.
What? Princess Machi slapped you? For what?
No. Wait.
Hey, Amadi, how are you?
Princess.
Yes.
How dare you? How dare you slap Amaka, my beloved? How dare you? And how dare you talk to the princess of this land in that manner? I am not going to miss next time. It will be on your head. Next time you speak, when I talk, you will not live to tell the story. This is going to be the first and the last you lay your hands on Amaka, my beloved. Adora, I heard you went to appreciate the man that saved your life the other day. Did he accept the gift you went to appreciate him with?
Yes, Father. He appreciated it.
Father, Sister Machi is lusting after the said man. I mean, she wants this man so badly.
He is a brave man. If he is asking for her hand in marriage, she should take it. Your sister is blessed, both in beauty and in wealth. All she needs now is a man that can be there for her.
No, Father, you are not getting it. She's the one that is asking this said man to marry her. Something that has never happened in the entire history of Omonza.
No! My daughter should not bring herself so low. Never! Where is she?
I know Amadi's cheating.
I will be the one sharing all the meats in the occasion that day.
For marriage, when they never finish.
No, see, I will be your best.
Don't worry. You know I'm your handbag.
Greetings, Father. You sent for me.
Yes, I've been hearing tales of how you've been moving around, begging that young man to get married to you.
Father, that is not true. You know I will never do such a thing unless the so-said man came to me. Remember, he saved me and my sister's life. So he felt he could get something tangible from the royal family by marrying one of their daughters, which is me.
Oh, Your Highness, be specific. Princess Adora told you the ungodly tales because she simply wants him all by herself.
That's not true. My daughter cannot do such a thing. Besides, the man in question is already with another maiden.
The other maiden he's with, is it not my daughter Mmachi? Please, Your Highness, talk to my co-wife to caution her daughter to stay away from what belongs to my daughter.
Ola dear, stop encouraging your daughter to sell her dignity at a market.
Enough! Both of you should warn your daughters to be wary of their actions. They are royalty and a tale of inspiration to the young maidens of this kingdom. Both of you may not live. I want to be alone.
Igwe.
Emeka! Where is she? Emeka! Where is she? Emeka! Where is she? Emeka! Emeka! Where is this girl? Emeka! It's not my daughter. She gets his money. No, it's not like this. Emeka! I must be for her. Emeka! Emeka! Have you seen my daughter, Emeka? Emeka, my daughter!
That's yesterday. That's real. Are you looking for her?
Yes. Since morning, I have not seen my daughter. I don't know where she is. Let me look for her. Emeka! Emeka! Oh, please, my children. Have you seen Emeka, my daughter?
No, I did not see Emeka.
Emeka! My daughter Emeka. Where's my daughter Emeka? Emeka!
What is it? Why are you crying?
The girls have decided to mock me.
How? Where is Emeka?
I don't know. Ever since I woke up this morning, I have not set my eyes on my daughter.
Hey.
I've searched for everywhere, but she's gone.
What? Emeka, come on. Hey.
I've gone to the villagers to ask them. No one knows her whereabouts.
Have you spoken to her friends?
Everyone, they don't know where she is.
This cannot be possible. Mama, listen, please, stop crying. I'll go out there and look for her. Right?
Stop for my daughter.
It's all right. Mama, stop crying. I'll go out there and look for her.
I'm waiting for you, yeah?
It's all right, I'll come.
Emeka!
Mama, stop.
Emeka, where are you? Emeka, where are you? Emeka,
Emeka! Emeka!
Amaka!
How are you?
Greetings, Amadi. I'm not seeing her. We've been looking for her all day. Even planning to come to your place to know if we'll see her there.
Where is this girl? Where is this girl? Where is this girl? Huh? What is happening? This is not what I'm thinking. I hope. Where is she?
We're so worried.
You know what? Maybe we should follow here. While I follow here, please, let's look for her.
Yes.
What do you see?
I could not see her in the land of the living. Neither did I see her in the land of the dead. My son.
Ezemo.
Yes.
Are you trying to say that my Amaka is not alive?
I cannot say, but brace yourself up. The possibilities are very high. I have tried. If she's not there in the land of the living, neither she's not there in the land of the dead. My son is like someone with dark powers is masking her. That is why I can trace her.
No. No, Ezemo. No. Amaka is alive. She must be alive somewhere.
Calm down. Calm down, my son. No. Calm down. No. Calm down.
No, I can't let you.
Calm down. No.
Amadi, I can't believe that my daughter is nowhere to be found in this whole village. No, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Ah, Amaka.
You know, this is the most difficult time in my life. How can Amaka go missing in this kingdom? She is nowhere to be found in this kingdom. My own fields.
I have left in memory of her that she's alive. I know my daughter is alive. Madi, please go back to your house. Let me stay and wait for her return, please.
No. No, I cannot leave you here in pain. I I'll be here with you. You see, in my heart, there is a void. Amaka completes me. Without her, I am very, very incomplete. No one ever can occupy her place in my heart. I am not going to leave you. I am going to stay here. We have to take care of this together. I don't like you looking like this. I'll be here for you.
Well, if you are here, I will continue crying. Mama, please go back to your heart. I will be fine.
No, Mama.
I know she's alive. She's alive. She will come peacefully, but just go back.
Stop.
I know she's alive. I know my heart says she's alive. Amaka is alive. Amaka is not dead. Amaka will come back to me.
It's alright. It's alright.
Yes, I know she's alive. I know.
No matter what it is, the living should continue living with a hope of a better tomorrow.
My princess, you're welcome.
I know your heart is troubled with the disappearance of Amaka, your beloved. I've come to lend you a shoulder to lean on. Loneliness is a dangerous feeling.
I appreciate your kindness, my princess. Please, I would like you to return back to the palace. Please, I'll be fine. You here? And why are you naked?
Do you not like what you say?
Princess, please. Please, I don't like this. Please, I don't like this. Why are you doing this? Huh? How would you even come into the hut without letting me? You could have waited outside.
I came into your heart on my own because I yearn for you. You know Amaka is no more. And you are a man, you need a woman. I have come to offer you my sorrow. Do not say no.
No, I can't do this. I cannot do this. My princess, please, I want you to leave now. No, please.
You
my
want
princess.
me just as I want you. Just
please
go
leave.
ahead.
Just leave. Please leave.
I cannot do that.
What? I am going to leave. Yes, I'm going to.
What? So you mean to tell me that my sister did something as despicable as that? Huh?
My princess, I cannot lie to you. You can ask her.
There's no need asking her. I know what my sister is capable of doing.
My princess, I want you to talk to your sister. Let her know that a woman should preserve her dignity and not throwing it around a man the way she's doing. It's wrong. I'm a man, I should be the one coming for her and not her coming to me. It's not right.
I'll talk to her. But you know, let's forget about my sister for now. How are you holding on?
Well, my she kept assuring me that everything is going to be fine soon. I'm hoping.
Don't worry. I pray the gods continue giving you the fortitude to bear the loss. You will see her soon. Not in this life, but the one beyond.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, my princess. My princess, you see, you are so different from your sister. Why can't she be as nice, at least half as nice as you are?
Everyone behaves according to how they were created. I love my sister. She's nice, but to a certain level.
So what do I sense here? A sister that loves her sister. It's alright. It's alright, I understand.
But I've not said anything.
You said a lot. Wow. Wait, you did.
Adora is a chameleon. Yes, she pretends to be my friend and my sister. How can Adora go for a man she knows I have interest in? A man she knows I want to be mine? No. Never. I will not be alive and watch Adora take Amadi. Never! Over my dead body will I allow Adora to have Amadi. Instead of the kite to have the chick, let the kite and the hawk loose.
Substance inside her food and make sure no one sees it. Do you understand?
Yes, my princess.
Go.
The food is ready.
Yes, my princess.
Okay. Come with me.
Bitter leaf. That's my favorite. How did you know? Princess.
Do you like it?
You can cook? I used to hear that princess are spoiled. But you are different.
I'm not like that.
I see it.
I'm different.
I see it. Seeing is believing, that's what I say. No. You have to... I'm not stingy.
No. Eat. I want you to eat very well. You know, you've not had a good meal since the disappearance of Emeka.
You want me to say something I don't want to say? It's okay.
Like that.
Hey! Murderous, shut up! You! Take her away! She is not like the princess of this kingdom! She doesn't give up! She's a murderer! Shut up, you murderer! Hey! 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 Buddy! Hey!
Princess Adora!
Chimo!
Hey! Chimo! Hey!
Your Highness, what is going on? What are we hearing?
Your Majesty.
Eh? Is it true that Princess Adora poisoned Amadi? Is it true?
I heard that true.
His Majesty, where is she? I mean your daughter, Wagin why?
She is in the palace prison. She's locked up there.
Hey! Arueme!
No!
Arueme!
Your Majesty! Your Majesty! She's my only daughter! And I can't afford to lose her. Please, Your Majesty. She's already a shadow of herself in that cell. The Adora I raised, the daughter I raised cannot do this. I can't believe she did it. Not possible.
Queen Amara! There is enough evidence! Princess Masinachi caught her red-handed. Not only her, with other villagers. So what are you saying? What evidence again do you have to prove that she's innocent? And you know that the penalty for anybody that commits such crime is death. So your daughter will die.
No!
Iyke!
No, Your Majesty. You're my husband. You're the king. My only child is involved here. Don't let her do this to me. Don't let her do this to me, I beg you, Your Majesty. Don't let her kill my only child.
The tradition and the custom of this kingdom cannot die in my reign. It must be upheld.
No.
Your Highness, what is going on?
She's dead. She's dead.
Hey!
Aro! What is happening in this community? Aro!
She's dead.
Aro!
Hey!
Aro! Our queen! Hey! She's no more.
Hey!
She's no more. Iyke, Iyke, what do we do?
Hey! Whoa!
She's dead.
Hey!
She's dead.
Arueme!
Dalu, why are you crying? Tell me, why are you crying? Are you crying because of Queen Amara who just died? Or Princess Adora who murdered the only man who has ever loved me in cold blood? Are they the ones you're crying for? Tell me, is that why you're crying? Sometimes I wonder if you are truly my own brother. Because if you are really my brother, you should be sympathizing with me, your own sister. Not that murderer who murdered the only man, Ahmad, who has loved me. So I just do not know if we really share the same womb. Because you do not act like it. You are here crying for who is half your sister instead of sympathizing with me. You see? You are as wicked as she is!
Excuse me.
Hey, are you walking out on me? Did you just walk out on me? Dalu!
Father, please, I am begging you. Please, I am begging you. A lot has happened in this palace within a short space of time. I mean, we've lost the queen. can't afford to lose another royalty. Father, please. I'm on my knees. I am begging you. You are the king and the custodian of our culture and tradition. Rather than killing Adora, you can just banish her. You can just banish her rather than ordering them to kill her. Your Highness, please. We've lost the queen. Losing Adora now is... I can't bear it anymore. My king, please. I know you're the king. Yes, you're your Highness. I know you can do something. I know you can do something. Please, don't kill Adora. Please, Your Highness. Please, I'm begging. Please, I'm begging you. Please, Your Highness.
Your Highness.
Akidi.
Your Highness.
Go to the palace cell. Bring out Adora. Take her to the boundary between us and Omeke. She remained banished and never to step her feet on this land anymore. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, Your Highness.
Move.
Okay, sir.
He's asleep. I do not know what came over the king that made him not to give Adora the deserved punishment. Please, take her into the evil forest instead.
Yes, she should go to the evil forest of Abako and die.
Your Majesty, the last time I got rid of Amaka for you, Amadi's girlfriend, you promised me something, but you didn't bring it to pass.
Please, not again. This time around, I will pay you double. Just do what I want you to do. Just do it. I'll pay you.
Princess, I guess it's time for my reward because I've done everything you asked me to do.
Yes, you're right. It is really time for you to receive your reward.
Yes, ma'am.
Just stay here, let me get you the bag of money.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Iruka. Here is the money.
Thank you, my princess.
Killing you is the only way to seal these secrets. I just did.
What?
the boundary of our village.
We are not taking you to the boundary.
Yes, we are taking you to the evil forest. Let's go.
This is the way to the boundary of our village. Don't take me to the evil forest, please. I don't want to go to the evil forest, please.
I said move. I'll forestall your death. Yes. This is the way to the evil forest. Now go.
Akidi. Uzo. Do I really deserve this from both of you? Have I ever treated you both in a bad way? Have I? My father asked that you punish me not to take me to the evil forest. Why are you doing this to me? I have not been wicked to you. Why?
Adora, have you finished? Now go.
Please don't do this to me.
Move! Be fast! Go while I watch you. Keep going! Let's go.
A child who says his mother will not sleep, him will know no sleep. The mother hen gathers her chicks when she senses danger. Oh, the shark does not know the height the way it goes when it leaves the water and goes back into the sea. Oh, I sense calamity. I sense danger. Now! I must visit. I must visit the royal. Yes, I must visit. I must visit. This calamity will not happen. Never. Force. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, Ezemo. Why are you here at this hour?
The great veil has been turned open, and a great doubt is upon us.
What do you mean by a great doubt is upon us?
Your Majesty, suddenly it was as if the rain was going to fall. Suddenly, a great sun appeared. This is a bad omen. This has only happened once in the history of this land. That shows someone was wrongly accused and punished, Your Majesty.
Ezemo, are you saying that my daughter Adora was wrongly accused because she was the only person I banished from this kingdom?
Your Majesty, let me have some clarifications with the gods. I'll get back to you. It is done. I beg to take my leave.
Have my approval.
Thank you.
The spirit of the forest spared your life because they have seen that you are pure. And henceforth, you shall become the mouthpiece of justice.
Amadi, my brother. Amadi, my brother. Amadi. How can you come to this place without informing me and our grandfather? Amadi? Amadi, can you talk to me? Amadi, talk to me. Amadi, talk to me. Amadi! No! What happened to you? No! Amadi, what happened to you? No! My brother Amadi. Hey, what is wrong with him? What is wrong with Amadi? This is the 4th time I am seeing my brother looking terrible in the dream. No, I must go and visit my brother. I must go and see him. No. I will tell grandfather. I will tell our grandfather tomorrow morning.
My queen, I still don't understand why you want me, the mouthpiece of the gods, to lie to the king. Answer me!
Ezemo.
Yes?
That maiden, Adora, killed the only man that's ever loved my daughter. You may claim she did not literally kill him, but she served the food that he ate.
You have still not answered my question. You have not answered my question. How do you expect me, the mouthpiece of the gods, to lie to the king? You have not answered it. Answer me.
Tell my husband, the king, that Adora is evil and that she's not innocent of the accusation. And then I will give you 300 cowries, 3 fat he-goats, 12 tubers of yam, and a portion of land.
Do you know you're wicked? You're evil! How dare you? Wicked woman! How dare you come to bribe the mouthpiece of the gods? How dare you? You're evil! You're evil! You don't deserve to be our queen! Leave my shrine before I send the wrath of the gods upon you! Evil woman! Leave! Worthless woman! Evil woman! Ungrateful woman! Ah! Gods of our land! Gods of our land! Have mercy! Have mercy! You...
My son. Grandfather. My son. You were banished from there. Sneak in, see your brother, and sneak out immediately. The land is very dangerous for you.
Alright, grandfather.
Tell your brother I will see him in the next season.
I will tell him, grandfather. I will tell him. And you, please, stay safe for me. I'll be back. I will carefully sneak into my kingdom, see my brother. Then I'll be back to you immediately. Thank you.
Happy!
Oh yeah, that's it. Hey! My queen! I never expected you to be here. Okay?
It's not as if I forgot about you. It's just that what you seek was far from my reach to give to you.
I only seek for your support and allow me to do the rest, my queen. Yet, you refused.
I am here now to offer it to you. Please don't say no, else my world and my children's own will crumble under my feet. The Ezemo is about to tell the king my secret. And should he do that, I and my children will be doomed.
My queen, I know about the young man your daughter poisoned and framed it to your step-daughter. The blood, my queen, the blood of the young man cries Lord for vengeance, my queen.
I will tell my husband, the king. I will persuade him to make you the next chief priest of the land. But please, shut Ezemo's mouth forever.
When the vultures gather to feast on the living, that gathering is obviously in vain. Why have you come to seek me out? Oh, you have come to pray to the gods, to atone for your sins, for your evil deed.
I have only come to find out if you have changed your mind concerning our discussion last time.
No. My answer is no, and it remains that. I will not change my mind. Have that in your head. I, the mouthpiece of the gods. Leave! Oh, I can perceive that ugly smell, that ugly stench. Copy.
Yes! He's to take over from you as the Ezemo of this land, since you have chosen not to do my bidding.
Never. It will not happen. Let this kingdom have peace. Rest! Enough is enough. Nkapi! 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 You smell what? You smell what?
Have I'm going happiness.
Die! You deserve to die.
I'm going. It is done.
Let's go.
Amadi. What do you want them? Amadi? Amadi?
Chidi! What are you doing? What are you doing in this land, Ndukwe? If Digwe or any of his cabinet members sees you, you are gone. Eh, nah.
Ndukwe, listen here, please. I came here for something very important. I want to see my brother, Amadi, my twin brother. Listen, I've been having dreams, terrible dreams about him. And each time I see him in my dream, it's always terrible. So I want to know how he is doing. But when I came here, I met nobody. By the look of things, it's like no one has been here for some time. Please, where is my brother?
Indeed, blood is thicker than water. Amadi, your brother, is no more.
Sorry. I don't understand what you mean.
Amadi, your brother, was poisoned by Princess Adora. Yes! See, let me tell you. Rumor has it that Amadi, your brother, chose Princess Machi over Princess Adora. And that made her angry. And she poisoned your brother to death. Your brother is gone. No! Chill, calm down. You don't need to make people know that you are in this village.
No. Please, stop. See, stop. Where is my brother?
Chill.
No, don't leave me.
Calm down.
No. Where is my brother? Where is my brother? No!
He's in danger.
My brother!
Their life is... Save their life first.
No, Chill. No, I don't care.
They will come after you.
No.
Listen to me. You don't need to know what. Your life is going to what? Save yourself first. Can you say
poison? No, tell me! Running is not going to help you. Your family killed my brother, Amadi.
Father, they were just here to inform you that the Ezemo is dead.
No! Never! Ezemo dead? Ezemo that I'm waiting to come back with a report to me. Dead?
When the eagle left his lofty place of abode to share ants and locusts with the birds, my king, it turns itself to a mockery before the children.
Nkapi, what is your mission here? I banished you and warned you never to step your feet in this kingdom.
Yes, you banished me because of the lies Ezemo sold to you. And that same lies he keeps telling you, even at the point of his death. For instance, my king, Ezemo told you the reason why there is drought in the land is because of the innocent person that was accused wrongly.
Yes, that was what he said.
Lies! Lies, my king! No wonder the gods close their eyes and watch him die like a chicken. If you can allow me, Your Highness, I will commune with the gods, and they shall send us rain in this land, your kingdom, my Highness.
No! You are not clean to serve this kingdom.
Your Highness, Will you prefer our people to suffer, die of thirst? Please, put away your ego and let this man serve the land. Please, Your Highness, please.
Father, I agree with what Mother said. If he can provide a solution to the problem, I suggest you just give him a chance. Please. Please.
Mother, he has come to haunt me. Mother's spirit has come to haunt me, Mother.
Easy, child, easy. You are my child. I betted you with the leaves of Amosu and with the feathers of Osuapala. No spirit has the power to haunt you.
Mother, you must believe me. I saw him, but he's not with his usual that on his hair.
Wait. The person you saw must be his identical twin brother, Chidi. He's the one without dada on his hair. But he was banished some time ago from this kingdom. Hey, Isobudi, there's a problem. There is a very big problem.
Hold it! Please. Take it out, bro.
You should have remained where you were banished to. But your stupidity made you to come here to avenge the death of your stupid brother. Unfortunately for you, you'll be meeting him today.
My queen. Why? My queen, why? Why did you people kill my brother, Amadi? Why?
Take him into the deep forest and kill him.
Yes, my queen. Yeah. Come on, move! Do you want to feed this drought of my son? Move! Okay. Go and feed now. Get down. Strong man, it's time for you to die. Please. Babu! How? No! This cannot be. You're dead.
Dead? Ozo, the son of Iyke. I am now reborn.
Uzo! Get out!
I will spare your lives for a reason. I want both of you to tell Oladiya and Imachi that their judgment is coming upon them soon. Go! Run! Oh!
Thank you. Please. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for saving my life. Who are you?
She sounded so confident, my queen. The Princess Adora we saw is different from the one we used to know.
She gave you this message for me?
Yes, my queen.
Let her come. When a dog chases an armed man, it savours the feeling of a wolf. Let her come. I am waiting.
Ezemo! What happened and where have you been?
Thou great king of Umunze, the son of a lion. When the lizard dwells too long on the riverbank, it begins to think itself as an alligator. A wild wind is going to blow that will purge every evil in Umunze kingdom. You must prepare yourself so that it won't take you unawares, my king.
What do you mean that a wild wind will befall our kingdom? What should we do to avert it?
There is no way, my king. There is no way you can avert it. You must prepare yourself, because the gods have spoken.
Your Highness, are you alright?
What in the name of the gods is the meaning of this dream? I don't think I will keep relying on Kapi. Yes, I will visit Onyezoku from Isikwato Kingdom. Yes, this I will do.
I have delivered the message of the gods to the king, your father.
That is good. Now, let's wait on the gods.
My queen! The worst is about to happen. I saw that the king want to summon Onyezoku from Isikwato. Huh?
No. That cannot happen. If the king summons Enyosioku from Isikwato, we'll be in problem. He will expose us. Please, what are we going to do? Because we'll be in problem.
My queen, we should kill him. Oh yes, we shall kill the king.
No, it's not possible. That's my husband. You cannot kill him. We can't. No.
My queen, do you think he will spare your life or that of your children when he finds out the truth? We shall kill him, my queen.
Mother,
How far will you go before you stop? How far will you go before you stop?
So you've been following me about?
Yes, I have. I have. So this is what you want to do, right? You are planning on killing my father. Now let me tell you something. It won't work. Because I am going to let him know. I will tell him. Okay? I will tell him. Yes.
Son, you have had enough. You've really had so much.
Where is the guard?
Guard.
My queen.
Guard.
Where is the guard, my queen?
Yes.
Okay. The great warrior. Tie him. Tie him and send him to one of the hidden huts. Tie him up. Yes.
That was what happened. I was accused of killing your twin brother. All because we were close. But not intimate. Yes. My chi never saw him as my mate. But my sister, Masnachi, saw him as my mate. And she was ready to kill anyone for it. Not only that, they will not stop killing anyone just to cover their tracks.
Someone needs to inform the king. Someone needs to inform the king about the pending death that looms around him. Yes.
I will do it. I will tell the king about it.
No! Your time has not come yet. The gods are preparing you for the great works ahead.
Then I will go. Yes, you have to trust me on this. I will work my way into the king's chambers. I will deliver the message to him.
Very good then. Tonight, we will go there. It is done.
He? My prince, is everything alright? Are you under punishment? Speak to me! What is happening? What is going on? You want to die? Do you want to die? Prince, do you want to die? You have malaria. You're shaking. Prince, what did you want? You're shaking. Hey, these people are so wicked. Gods of our land. Gods of our land. This is too much. Lost my brother. This. Now this.
Your Highness, there is no need for this. The gods has already sentenced this man to death. His blood to be used as sacrifice to appease the gods.
I don't understand.
He is the cause of the prince's disappearance. And also, he came to abduct you so he can gain power and rule this kingdom. He did it to revenge the death of his twin brother that was killed by Princess Adora.
No, Your Majesty. But I gave her a fair judgment.
No, my king. Your judgment may be fair enough, but not appropriate. The disappearance of Prince Dalu proves it all, my king. You banished Princess Adora. Rather, my king, you should spill her blood! Spill her blood to appease this kingdom, your land, my king. Now their anger is against you and the prince. Give me the order, my king, and let me cut off his head!
No, Your Majesty.
Yes!
Don't do it.
Yes, my king!
My hands are tied. But if what you're saying is the truth, you have my orders.
No. Your Majesty, please.
That warrior!
Life is a worse.
Cut off his head!
No, please.
Cut it off! Ugly!
My prince, easy. We have come. We have to rescue you. Relax, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's alright, sorry. Oh.
from here.
Ogini nesi. Muwa. Nkapi nesi bundiro ya. Yes karim. Mban nade meme. Mura. Awale. Zigamai. Zigamagi. Muwa. Nkapi nesi bundiro ya. Nesi karim. Mban. Nade meme. Show yourself.
Let's go. Let's go. It's okay. It's okay. Right. Let's go.
No. A great force is here. I can feel it and I can smell it. Osibulongia and Osikaram.
Look at her. Look at her. Hey, look at her. No. Look at her. Hey, look at her.
Hey! Muang kape. Okay? Ha! Muang kape. Again! Nakuya. Imagine my boss. You! I have killed you before! Long! Don't copy! Shame. You should be ashamed of yourself. You do not know that you can never mock the gods. No one can mock the gods. The gods have come for the rescue of their own. Nkape, you should be ashamed of yourself.
Father. Mother, animals snatching my sister. So evil. They're very, very wicked. Masnachi was the one that poisoned Amadi.
I know it.
Yes, and filmed Adora here for it. Mother plotted with Nkapi here to kill you. And when I confronted them, they captured me and locked me up in a hunt down the palace. For 3 days now, I have not eaten or drank any water.
Your Highness, if that is true, this evil woman deserves what she got with her evil daughter. Yes!
You are right.
She deserves it!
You are right.
Nkapi, is this true? Ajana, I think it does not matter anymore. Everywhere!
Tie him.
Yes!
Untie him!
Fast! Untie him! Untie him!
He is dead.
Good. Your Majesty, people of this great kingdom, today marks a beginning of a new dawn. Peace and justice has returned.
Thanks to the gods. Thanks to the gods.
My daughter. Kwanu! Yeah! Kwanu! Yeah! Kwanu! Kwanu! Obuja Kwanu!
Yeah!